Welcome to Building Bridges Academy Open House 2020. We'll begin with an overview of our program and you will be introduced to our staff. Our purpose is to provide a supportive, personalized, content-rich learning environment that supports behavioral intervention and academic acceleration. Our goal is to develop the academic, social, emotional, and cognitive abilities of each student. Our operational model is to provide academic instructional support and therapeutic interventions with a rigorous schedule with smaller class sizes. Our academic and cognitive enrichments, career education and prep, and building on the students' interests, focusing on intensive reading and language arts interventions. We build with our students a bridge to success, providing an opportunity for students to recover credit and accelerate using a blended learning approach. Consistent social and emotional support is included, individual and small group counseling, as well as family counseling and collaborative case management. We consistently help to build targeted life skills, public speaking, career exploration, team development, conflict resolution, and more. Are you ready to meet the team? Well, here they are.
My name is Tim Brown. I'm the center leader here at Building Bridges Middle School. I've only been here since January of 2020, but had about 13 years of education experience before coming here to this school. And I'm excited to be a part of Building Bridges Middle School because I'm probably the only school administrator in history that's actually been expelled from high school himself. Because at 16, I was expelled from school and later that day my home. And I've been on my own ever since. But I was able to go on and become the first college graduate in my family and eventually now lead a school for students just like me who sometimes make bad decisions, sometimes do things that aren't that smart. I know that's what I did. But that doesn't have to define the rest of our lives. We get a chance to start over. And that's why we say here at Building Bridges Middle that this is a place where you get a second chance to make a first impression. So I'm excited to work with you. I'm excited to see you learn to make better decisions, to catch up if you're behind in your grades, and to get back to your home school and have success in your future. So I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.
Hello, my name is Ms. Bridges, the Administrative Secretary here at Building Bridges Middle. I am pleased and honored to welcome all the returnees and the ones that's coming back. My hobbies are shopping and love helping people. It's a pleasure and an honor to see all our newcomer students in our 2021 year.
Greetings, this is Ms. Patterson here at Building Bridges Middle. I hope this message reaches each of you or finds you in great health. I would like to personally welcome all new and returning students. I've been working with Savannah Chatham BOE for nearly 20 years, and this is my 5th year at Building Bridges. We are definitely excited to begin this new journey of online learning with you all. As your information specialist, I assure you I will do my absolute best to provide you with assistance and direction. May each of you have a blessed and prosperous 2021 school year. Remember, social distance, be safe, don't be the same, be better, and have a phenomenal day.
Good morning or good afternoon. My name is Larry Jenkins. I'm a guidance counselor, Building Bridges Middle School. I've been with the district for a number of years. Prior to coming to the district, I worked and retired from Beaufort County, Bluffton High School as a counselor. I enjoy working at Building Bridges Middle, and I enjoy working with each and every one of your kids. And I would like to take this exquisite moment to welcome each and every one of our stars back to Building Bridges Middle School. We collectively welcome you back, not just on my behalf, on the entire staff half. Now you notice that there are some hands in the back of me. Those hands are indicative of each and every one of us here at Building Bridges Middle, from the principal down to everyone. We are hands here to help you. We all will be hands-on in helping you to have a successful year. We welcome you back, and please keep in mind that all these hands are here to help you succeed. Good luck in the upcoming year.
Hello, this is Miss Guilford, school social worker with Building Bridges Academy. This is my 6th year at the Academy, and I have over 24 years of experience in the social work profession. My job duties include providing social emotional learning supports and assisting you with anything that may be preventing you from learning. For fun, I like to blog, shop, and try new things. I would like to welcome you to the 2021 school year. This year, I look forward to serving you.
Good morning. My name is Mr. Worthing. I'm the case management coordinator here at Building Bridges Academy Middle School. It's my 3rd year with Savannah Chatham Public Schools. It's also my 3rd year at Building Bridges Academy Middle School. In my role as the case management coordinator, it is my job to link you to any resources that you will feel vital to your success as a student. I want to wish everyone a happy school year and remember to practice appropriate social distancing.
Greetings, parents and students. My name is Veronica Gaskin, and I am the Behavior Intervention Teacher at Building Bridges Middle. I would like to extend to you a warm welcome to the 2020-21 school year. If there is anything that I can assist you with, please do not hesitate to contact me. Again, welcome.
Hi, I'm Gary Swindell, a paraprofessional here at Building Bridges. I've been working with the school system for over 24 years. I started the first session of Building Bridges some years ago, and we've had a wonderful run, lots of success, and some challenges over the years, but we're rolling. Welcome to the 2021 school year. Here to support you and help you build bridges of success. Thank you.
Welcome to BBAMS Virtual Open House. I would like to take a minute to introduce myself. I'm Mrs. Owens, and I will be teaching some of the students social studies and English language arts for the 2020-2021 academic school year. I've been in alternative education for over 10 years now, and I've been with this program since its inception. I'm looking forward to this new adventure in distance learning with you and your students. I myself am a mother of a 6th grader, and I also have a family to take care of, so I understand the stresses that have come with the start of this new school year. We're all in this together, and this means that if you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me. I hope this message finds everyone safe and well, and I cannot wait for the beginning of our new school year.
Hello, I am Mr. Harlan. I will be your science teacher for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. A little bit about myself. I'm from South Florida. I graduated in Wellington High School, and I actually had to graduate through an alternative school myself, so I know how you can kind of get to where you're at today. I'm going to be teaching Earth Space Science for 6th grade, Biology for 7th grade, and Physical Science for 8th grade. And I hope we're going to have a wonderful school year together.
Greetings! Welcome to another school term year. We are so excited that you will be here with us at Building Bridges. I am Ms. Bates, and I'm the business, education, and technology teacher. I have been with Building Bridges for 5 years and been with the district for several years. I am a graduate from Cambridge College with a master's degree in education and a undergraduate degree from Savannah State University with a business administration degree with a concentration in accounting. I am so looking forward to seeing you this school term and working with you as we share and exchange gifts, meaning our knowledge. Okay, I look forward to seeing you soon.
Hey everyone, I'm Miss Jackson. It's my first year at Building Bridges Academy and I'm so excited. I have taught and had experience in Savannah as well as other places around America and even East Africa. I spent the last couple of years teaching in Mbala, Uganda, at an international school, a children's home, and even a youth prison. A little about me: I'm passionate about Ohio sports, cows and sea turtles, cool rocks, and most especially helping my students to reach their goals and pursue their passions. I can't wait to get to know each of you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tolan Wright. I am the 7th grade math teacher at Building Bridges Academy Middle School. I started from the bottom. I worked a year and a half as a substitute through educational solution staffing. I was a counselor, I was a teacher, I was a paraprofessional. And this year, I am a certified mathematics teacher. It's a pleasure to work for the house that Chatham County built. And I look forward to showing you my room this year. Look forward to working with you and your parents. Have a great rest of your summer.
Hello, I'm Miss Moore, Building Bridges Special Education teacher. This is the start of my 15th year in the district. I hold several different certifications, which I believe allows me to build strong relationships with my students and facilitate successful educational environment. I'm a proud Building Bridges teacher where developing successful students is what we do.
Greetings, my name is Dr. William Cummings. I am a social studies teacher here at Building Bridges Academy Middle School. This is my first year at the Building Bridges and I'm really looking forward to working with each and every one of you. Just a little about myself. I've been teaching for 23 years now. I hold a PhD, a doctorate in history from North Dakota State University. I also have studied Indian history, American Indian history, and genocide in the 20th century. Those are my specialties. But I like to study everything. My hobbies include studying things outside of my field, inside of my field. I study butterflies, I study nature. I go to historic sites and participate in events like that, read books. My whole life basically is involved in learning and learning and learning because that's my favorite thing to do. And one of the things that I hope you'll take advantage of is my love for learning and that you'll pick my brain and let me help you be as successful as possible as we study social studies together here at Building Bridges. Thank you.